In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make videos with Nano Banana. We're starting from scratch so you can follow along on any computer. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type the word Flow. We're looking for the official Flow page from Google's Labs. When you see the Flow result from Google Labs, click through. This ensures you're using the trusted, up-to-date tool. On the Flow page, look for the option that says Create with Flow and click it. That takes you into the creative workspace, where you can start building a video from a simple idea. If you're prompted with any notices or onboarding screens, just proceed so you land on the main project area. Inside the workspace, choose New Project. Starting a new project gives you a clean canvas and keeps each experiment organized. You can treat each project like a self-contained idea, which makes it easy to return later and iterate. Next, select Text to Video. This mode turns a written description into a moving clip. It's perfect when you don't have footage on hand and want to see your concept come to life quickly. Think of it as telling the system exactly what to visualize, and it handles the heavy lifting. Now it's time to write your prompt. Be specific about what the camera should see, how it should feel, and any stylistic details that matter. For example, try something like a close-up shot of a puppy splashing in a milky tea drink that's tipped on its side, with liquid flowing over the edges and the puppy licking the tea, on a wooden table. High quality, light and bright, super cute. You can even add audio guidance, such as splashing tea sounds. Notice how that description covers the subject: action, setting, camera framing, lighting, and mood. The clearer you are, the closer the result will match your idea. Once your prompt looks good, click Submit. The system will process your request and generate a clip. This can take a moment, so give it a little time. When the preview appears, watch it all the way through. Ask yourself if the framing, brightness, and motion match what you imagined. If not, make small edits to your prompt. Adjust details like the shot type, lighting, or mood, and submit again to refine the result. That's it. You've just gone from a blank page to a generated video using Flow. Keep your prompts clear, describe visuals and audio, and build iteratively. With this approach, you'll be making eye-catching videos with Nano Banana in no time.